In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper waterproof BTS ring. So this is a very easy way of making a paper BTS ring and it's useful too. So I've already posted a video of making a paper BTS badge in my channel and many of you guys liked it. So I thought of making another BTS craft and the idea that came to my mind was a BTS ring. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So for this activity, we'll be needing only a few materials, which are a rectangular piece of paper of purple color and small rectangular piece of paper of pink color. So for here, I used purple. For this one, I thought it would be nice if you use different colors, so I'm going to be using pink. So if you guys want, you can take your own colors, or if you want to make it realistic, you can take the real BTS colors or anything you like. But please make sure if you do not take black, because we're just going to be coloring this part with black. So the reason I say this is waterproof because I just put some tape over here, so if you even wash this, it will not go away or shade in with other colors. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to be keeping this paper aside and I'm going to be taking this huge paper like this. So first step is that I'm just going to be folding it in half like this. So please make sure the foldings are done correctly. Next step is that I'm just going to be opening it and I'm going to be folding this paper over here and I'm taking this side of the paper and I'm going to be folding it on top. So we'll be having like 3 parts once we complete this. So now I'm just going to be opening it and I'm taking it and putting it in the opposite direction. So it will be like a table like this. It should be like a table. So after that, I'm just going to be opening this one over here and I'm going to be folding this side in half like this. Now I'm just going to be opening this and I'm going to be folding it in half in the opposite direction as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be opening this over here and I'm going to be opening this side over here as well. So now I'm just going to be folding it back over here and I'm taking this part and I'm going to be folding it back. So I'm just going to be doing all these steps because it will be really easier to do the folds. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding this paper over here a little bit at this corner. And I'm also going to be folding this paper a little bit on this corner as well. So now I'm just going to be folding it one more time and I'm taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be folding it one more time like this. So now I'm just going to be opening this paper gently like this and I'm going to be taking a scissor. So as you guys see, there will be a first crease over here. So I'm just going to be cutting it like this. I'm going to be cutting this piece off to make the edges nice and perfect. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking one side of the paper and I'm going to be cutting it like this. And I'm going to be cutting the other side in this direction as well. So there will be like a watch hanging part where you can just squeeze this inside. So now I'm just going to be folding it and making it come into a circular form like this. So I'm just going to be pushing all these sides to make it come like in the form of a circle. So at last I'm just going to be taking this part and as you guys see there will be like a small hole over here and I'm going to be squeezing it inside. So it will be perfect for your size. If it's not perfect, just open it up. And I'm just going to be cutting it this part over here to make it the perfect size. And I'm also going to be trimming it a little bit over here as you guys see to make it equal in size and make it go inside the part over here. So now I'm just going to be opening it and squeezing it inside. So it's not compulsory that you have to glue it, but if it does not work for you, you can glue it. So I'm just also going to be showing you how to glue it as well. So you can just squeeze it inside. So if you're going to be, it doesn't work, if you want to glue it, you can just apply glue over here on this portion of the paper. And then you can just take this part and you can stick it over here. This is also another easier way of doing this. So now I'm just going to be making it and make it in the perfect size over here. So after we complete this, we'll be having like the remaining 2 parts over here. So if we squeeze it inside, we will not be having this part. But if you didn't do that, and if you're going to be doing it like this, you can just cut out the remaining parts, or you can apply glue and stick it to the remaining over here. So now I'm taking glue again and I'm just taking this part over here as well so that it doesn't come out. Everything needs to be stuck properly. So now the bottom part of the ring is ready. So you can just put it on your hand and see if the size is correct. So the next step is that we are going to be starting off with the other part, which is I'm just going to be taking the pink piece of paper we had and I'm just going to be trimming it so that all the pieces of paper are equal in size. So I'm just going to be trimming it at the edges to make it perfect and make it in a correct line. Now I'm just going to be inserting this paper slowly like this and I'm going to be folding it at the top over here Now I'm going to be taking this bottom part and I'm going to be folding it on top, and I'm just going to be rolling it inside. So please do this slowly, because if you just apply some more force, it might get torn. So I'm just going to be giving this a small push inside and making it come perfectly out. So if you guys want, you can even just take a small piece of paper and stick it on top. But if you do like this, it'll be like more bulgy and be more realistic. And if it's like kind of in a bigger size, it'll be perfect. So this is a really easy way of making a paper ring, and if you can even give this give this ring to your friends and family members, and you can use it. So if you know anyone who's a BTS fan, you can even give it to them. So I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part, and I'm going to be sticking this on top. So if you guys like this craft, please comment in the comment box below, and if you want me to post more BTS craft, you can comment that. So now we've completed with the ring. Now let's start by drawing the BTS emoji. So now I'm just going to be taking a black marker, and I'm just going to be drawing one line over here, gently like this, and one line over here on this side. Now I'm just going to be drawing one line coming from like a window like this, like open window on that side. Now I'm just going to be drawing one more line connecting it here, and one more one over here. And now I'm just going to be coloring it in slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be making it perfect and making all the linings perfectly like this. So I'm also going to be making this line come to the bottom, and I'm going to make it come the perfect size over here. So now we've done with the BTS emoji. So as you guys see, this is kind of small, so we just extend it a little bit and make it perfect on all the sides if you want. So if you see this one's kind of smaller than this one. You can do anything you like. So that we've completed by making the emoji. Next step is that we're supposed to be making this waterproof. So one more thing is that if you have space beneath this or on top of this, you can just write BTS with a purple marker or anything. But since we don't have space, I'm just going to be leaving it as it is. If you want, you can even add it. Write it. So now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of tape like this, and I'm going to be putting this over here at the bottom part over here, and I'm making this come to the top, and I'm taping all this part around slowly like this. So now it's waterproof, and it will be really safety as well. So one thing is that if you want, you could even completely waterproof all these things. You just apply some tape all over it, but I'm not going to be doing that step because I use thick paper for this. So even actually I even washed this one over here. If you see properly, it'll be kind of wet, this one. So but since I use thick paper, even after you dry it, it will not get torn or anything. So I'm just going to be waterproofing this part only, because sometimes if you wash it, the black color might shade out and might just come to the top and bottom. But if you use tape, it will be waterproof. So one more thing is that if you use this, you can even like if you're going to be going outside, you can even if you want to remember something, you can even write on this. So for example, if you want to remember this number 8, you just write on it, and after the project or something is over, you just wipe it off. You can even use it as a board. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper board. So if you guys, you can watch it if you think that will be really useful. So now I'm just going to be wearing it in my hand and seeing if the size is perfect. So it's perfect, and you won't even be able to see that it's waterproof. It'll be really cute, and you can gift it to your friends and family members. So after we complete this, our easy paper BTS ring is ready. So this is also waterproof ring, as I said. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So if you guys like this video, please comment in the comment box below. I'll post more BTS videos if you like this one. If you also have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can definitely comment that as well. I'll see to your comments, and I'll try to make that craft, and I'll post that video soon as I'm good at posting it. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make Blackpink crafts as well. So I posted a video of making a paper Blackpink keychain. So if you guys like that, you can also comment that below. If you want more BTS and Blackpink crafts, you can comment that, and I will also post that videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family members so that they'll also enjoy making this early BTS ring. And if you have any BTS lovers or BTS fans, also share this video with them. So I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. Bye.